At last, a new monitor has been set up. So that was the issue. Go for that. So I think market is trying to stabilize the day's low, around day's low. Let the green candle come up again here, then we can get into 650 call again, because Nifty is around that range only. It is kind of, a lot of shares have fallen. Okay, so Nifty gave two clean trades from the morning, 650 CE from kind of 140 to 210 etc. that we have taken. Now after that, after above 70, we said 24,800, it went up to 120 rupees. Both have been really good trades from the morning, those who have followed. Now it is trying to give one more trade on the call side, that is 25,650. Again 25,650, you can now buy above 99, 100 rupees. Above 100 only you can buy this call. Below that, before that, do not buy. And the stop loss is 84, that is 15 points is your stop loss. Above 100 one can buy 24,650 call. And there is a view that it has a stop loss of 85. Do not buy before, because anytime you can keep testing the stop loss. Or you can wait for the next candle to come up, that is the next green candle above our yellow line, magic line, and that is with a clean base. Clean base, if it is starting, that is without any wick, then you can straight away. So let me enlarge the wick so that people will be able to see clearly what is the. It is making a wick, so be careful. Once it is making a wick, it means it is making a doji, and नीचे भी आ सकता है, तो फिर आपका ये जो कॉल है ना वो गिर जाएगा. इसलिए वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट कैंडल, क्लीन कैंडल. जैसे इस लाइन से दूर, रेड मीन्स ऊपर वाला फ्लैट होना चाहिए, ग्रीन मीन्स नीचे ऐसे फ्लैट होना चाहिए. अगर आपको ऐसे कैंडल मिल रहा है, देन वी कैन टेक. अभी तो इट हैज़ ऑलरेडी यस्टरडे का लो का टेस्ट कर रहा है. इट मे टेस्ट वंस मोर, दैट इज़ 24,628. उसके नीचे के आने के भी चांसेस है. इट कैन कम डाउन आल्सो, बट यू वेट. अभी तो नो मैंस लैंड में है. इसकी इस रेंज पे जब तक रहेगा तो नो मैंस लैंड है, जहाँ पुट भी आ सकता है, कॉल भी आ सकता है. अभी भी फ्यूचर का प्रीमियम ज़्यादा है. दैट इज स्टिल सरप्राइजिंग. पता नहीं कैसे. टुमारो इज द एक्सपायरी and people are still buying it at a higher price. उसका प्रीमियम नीचे ही नहीं आया. मीनिंग कॉल साइड पे ही मार्केट रहेगा, पुट साइड में बहुत कम रहेगा. पुट साइड पे इफ यू आर टेकिंग, you have to trail it with a clear close stop loss so that you do not get any losses. That is precisely the reason I said, no, you can buy this only above 100. Making green doji, red doji. सो अभी 12:30 बजे है, तो शायद मूव 1:40 में आएगा, तब तक के लिए वेट करो. अगर ये तो अभी रेड कैंडल येलो लाइन के ऊपर बन रहा है, विच इज़ अगेंस्ट, करेक्ट. येलो लाइन के ऊपर तो ग्रीन कैंडल बनना चाहिए. वी हैव टू हैव ग्रीन कैंडल्स अबव येलो लाइन, देन ओनली वी कैन बाई. So as long as either the body of the candle or the wick of the candle is touching the yellow line, do not do anything. We need clean candles either above or below yellow lines, then only we will take the either call or put, depending upon what type color of the candle. See, we are not getting any kind of greens here. See, we are not getting any kind of greens here. So that is actually a problem. So, so it has pierced the yesterday's low in one candle, fifth candle. Okay, so that that put which we said that should be bought above 70 odd rupees 70, so now it is at 164. It is making a clear breakdown. So it has briefly tried to recover, but it didn't recover. Now it is no breaking down. Like I said few minutes back, it's all getting red here. See, that is why if you get more and more reds, you will get only red candles. So 24,700 call is being actively written now. Okay, put they are getting out. So 24,700 will become a challenge now. So they completely took the market up and tempted every person to buy the call. It went up to this 780. I was telling in the morning, crossing 780 as well as this, it will be a big challenge. So 7, it never went to this pivot. In fact, forgot pivot. I mean, it didn't even cross this resistance here at 780. From there, exactly market turned around, and I said that is the reason we exited call here in the morning. And from there, once it went below, we said take the put. From there, now it is being a big ride. So this can 167 is there. No, it can even touch 200. This particular put 24,800, but now it has ran up so much. You better wait for the next candle. If the next candle opens below yesterday's low only, then you can scalp this 24,800 put. But it's not going to be a run, because it is scalp means you have to get in quickly and get out quickly. The screen is full of red now. You got all red dots. Your monitor, which is the 58% of the Nifty index, is all red. Let us see whether the yesterday's low gets defended. My view, it should get defended, and no, again Nifty should start one more round of now again it is making a very clean candle below our yellow line. Those who are holding any put, you hold it now as long as the price is below yellow line. But kind of keep a close stop loss, because the price is near yesterday's low. What it can do is suddenly it can come up and cross this yesterday's low line, which will kind of immediately bring the price down. Of the put. So those who are having put, have your sale orders ready or stop losses ready, because I think yesterday's low is getting defended out. And Nifty agar upper clean green candles, if it starts making, then your call will again become, now instead of this 600 650 call, which is risky because which is just out of money. So let us change it to 600. So 24,600 call is what we need to check. So no longer on 24,600 650 PE. The 600 call is at 115 rupees now. Once it crosses, even now the next candle is a green candle, one can attempt this with 109. It's currently at 116. One can attempt it. So you just wait for the next candle and then take a call. But let it make a very, very clean candle. Okay, not before. So let's see, just in another 1 minute we will have the next candle. If the next candle is above our yesterday's low, okay, and it is a clean green candle above our yellow line, then we can immediately enter into that 24,600 call with a stop loss. It is currently at 115 or something. So 110, 105 will be your stop loss, 10 points. Or we can wait for Nifty to go below again yesterday's low. So that is even a better option, because as long as it is above yesterday's low, Nifty is above yesterday's low, this call will at least maintain above 100 rupees. Just in case let us just wait another 10 seconds. We will know whether the next candle is a green candle above yesterday's low. Then we can immediately it is making a clean green candle above. One is above yellow line, number two above the yesterday's low. So it is 114, I think, is this thing call, and you can keep 102 as the stop loss. Better stop loss is that if the Nifty goes below yesterday's low of 628, we sell off. As long as Nifty is above 24,628, we just hold this call. That's all. Once Nifty goes below 628 and sustains there for even few minutes, then we immediately sell off. And once this, once assuming Nifty starts to go up, and once this maintains above 118, then it will have a good positive momentum on the option price. So now it is already 123 now. This can go up to even 145. So around 145 we will exit. So that will be what, another 113 to 145, another 32 points. As long as Nifty is above 218, 618, 628, you should continue to hold this, and it is making clean green candles. Just one more green candle above this low of the previous candle, that will take the option even much higher. So just to long position, minimum is this, okay, minimum is this, that is 702, and this is what we are going to make. It's already at 131. So let the next candle start. I think if the next candle starts above this, then I will keep increasing this target. 133 now. Already 20 points up. $135. So what I am looking at is 147, 148. I will sell, because by that next candle also it's a very clean green candle. it is making clean green candle, so don't have to worry, just wait. But only slight botheration is there is too much of red in the monitor as well as stocks monitor, and it is making a wick in the bottom, which is not a good sign. But the price is above our yellow line, and the yesterday's low is still bit far away, almost 18-14 points. जो जस्ट ऐसे बैठ के रखने का, अभी 125 है, सो 113 पे लिया है, अभी भी 13 पॉइंट ऊपर है. बट यू कैन कीप, इसको ऐसे ही रखने का, जस्ट कीप इट लाइक दिस एज लॉन्ग एज वी कीप गेटिंग ग्रीन कैंडल्स हियर. ये ग्रीन कैंडल्स आते ही अगर नेक्स्ट कैंडल यहाँ चालू हो गया तो फिर दोबारा ये भागना शुरू कर देगा ये ऑप्शन. या तो प्रॉफिट बुकिंग कैंडल है, तभी भी रिवर्स मार सकता है. So just wait for one more minute. You just see next candle should be a green candle, not a doji candle. That's all. If it starts with a green bottom, ये ऊपर जाएगा. This can go up to 172, 173 also. Just hold it as long as it is making green candles above our price. The first target which I gave as 145 should reach any time now. Already it made a high of 143.7. So 113 to 145 will be 32 points. First, multiple loss can book or trail your stop losses. It is making green candle after green candle. Today has been a fantastic day. So far it gave beautiful call trade and then a put trade. Now it is giving another call trade. Unfortunately, not many of our regular people have joined. They would have made a lot of money. It made exactly 144.75. I think it should make 145 at some, maybe this candle or the next candle. Just wait, it is making clean green candles. We can continue to hold it because yellow line is also shifting and trying to come above the previous day low. So we entered at 113. Now it is at 139, 140. So it's almost 27 points up. Just wait, it will cross 145. Maybe not this candle, next candle. Then we will see. Then I will tell you whether to continue that 145 or just wait. So 145 crossed now, it made a 146 now. So just wait, as long as it now stays above 149 to 150, then it can touch 172, 173. So that will add another 15-20 points. Just to wait. Just to keep trading your stop losses or keep your this thing ready. It is already 149. Around 175, once it comes to 175, simply sell it. There is a possibility that it can kind of reverse from there. We can always re-enter. If it stays above 150, it will quickly go to 175. Further, it has to stay above 150. Bank Nifty is again come down. Despite SBI and HDFC, it is the ICICI Bank which is a big drag. Of the top 4 banks, I think it is making very clean green candles. So just continue to hold it. That's it. Like I said, it has to cross and stay above 150. So that is a bit of a challenge for the option price. If it crosses, then it already made the 145 first mark. Whenever I give a target, you exit and and then re-enter. That is how you have to operate. There will be in between red candles. Those who have weak heart should exit on the target price and then re-enter. If it goes up, goes up. At least you will be sure of your profits. It is making a doji candle here, so that is a bit concerning. All these one doji, one clean, one doji, one clean. So we have to wait for the next candle because market is trying to recover and go towards today's top of 24,783 or 85 or something like that. So see one candle. Wait for the next candle. challenge for Nifty is that it has to cross 680. Okay, so 80 is, like I always keep telling you, between 100 and 100 दो 100 पॉइंट के बीच में निफ्टी में 20, 50, 80 रेसिस्टेंस होता है. 20, 50, 80 will be resistance on the up, and 20, 50, 80 will be support on the down. Okay. Nifty is trying to cross 80, then next will be 700 only. Let us see. That should take it past beyond 150 and towards 175. Meanwhile, we will see where the next candle is. I think it has made one doji, green doji, and obviously it can make a morbose or whatever you call. Next may be a clean green candle. The price is weakening. Option price is weakening. It has to stay above 138. At least even the momentum. Let's see where the next candle starts. It is starting as a clean green candle at 50% of the previous candle. That is a good sign. So Nifty again should attempt to cross 80 now. This candle it should cross by 130. If it crosses 700, then we can have one more round. That is by 130 time, because then 130 to 140 we may have a solid up move again, and it may try to take off this 782. So one clean candle, one doji. Now this should be a clean candle. The premium now 52, it has come down to 36 expected, because tomorrow is the expiry, monthly expiry, that too. So the premium will not be there by tomorrow morning. Whatever has to happen today. The premium is there even till today is a very big surprise. Something what we don't know, these future buyers are knowing. So they seems to know better. Some information which we don't have. How can you buy today you lose straight away 1500 rupees as of now, because tomorrow this premium will vanish. Whatever happens, whatever is the Nifty, Nifty goes up, Nifty goes down, is fine. Another clean candle. Hopefully, if 25 is a clean candle, then we can see it crosses 150 and gather more momentum. See, Nifty is trying to stay above 680, which is good. $154 now. It should come to 175. I'm telling you, any moment it will come. It is already 158 now. It has made one high of 158. Just wait. 175, 174, 175 should come, and at that point you simply execute and wait for the process. If it crosses and goes above, etc., and all that, okay, fine. But my suggestion would be to, if you keep tracing from stop loss from below, you will have lesser profit than having a target and then again re-entry, always. So it is already 157 now, that is 44 points. So there have been very clean 45-point trades today, almost 120 to 130 points, which is 10K in a day. 159 now, 160. Let us see whether it crosses 702. Nifty has to cross 702, then you will see this jump to 175. It is trying to cross 700. In one jerky movement it should cross. Okay. Let us see. I think next candle should cross this 24,702. So that will give further momentum, and I don't know, maybe it will even try to go and touch that 782 once again. So then it will take it all the way to 240. So it depends upon where the next candle starts. Okay, अगर ये next candle starts above near that 702, no, then Nifty will again attempt to go here. So we have entered here at 113. Now it is at what, 156. अभी ये इसके ऊपर गया, one it crosses this, then it will cross 177 in no time. 175. It will touch 175 and then it will cross. And if Nifty continues to go out and go towards this number, that is our 24,762, which is the morning high, then you will get about minimum 235. So from now, just hold as long as it is making clean green candles. And if it's gets blocked at 702, अभी 702 के ऊपर है, so already it is trying to cross that 702. It depends upon where the 130 candle starts. If 130 candle starts above 702, then continue to hold. That's it. But it very rapidly coming down to that 702 is becoming slightly, but the option price is still strong only. So we got another 20 seconds to go. Let us see where the next candle is. अगर next candle 7 के ऊपर चालू होता है, if it starts even around that area, then the next candle will be a zoom. In the sense, Nifty, let's see where it starts. Oh, it is starting exactly at 702 only. Okay, we have to wait for it to cross. Let it cross, then our option price will zoom. If Nifty stays above 702.75, this option will start strengthening. Again, it is already to 158 now. It will cross 177 straight away. Once Nifty touches 710 or something like that, this will rapidly move up. फिर तो 235, 235 can come. Okay, once it crosses 178, 235 can come. That depends upon Nifty staying above to 24,702. अभी जो shares red में था, they are all becoming green. So already 169 now, 171, 173. So 174 is just there, already done, more or less done. 173.25 is the price. You just wait. That 175 also will come. The target I have given, which I have given, will also come. And once it stays above 178, then 209, 240. Okay. So first let it cross 175. That is the first target. You have multiple lots, keep booking, or just wait for the next candle. If it is that is a clean candle above 702, फिर ये दोनों टारगेट आ सकता है 208 and 238 on this option. फिर तो 113 पे लिया है, so 113 to already it is 52 points up. Once it comes to 173, 175, that will be 62 points up. So this is the third clean trade our system has given. सुबह एक trade this morning तो ये दिया था, gave very clearly from here to here. वो तो हमने वो 650 का call पकड़ा था. This was 24,800 put from 70 odd rupees to 120. Now again from here 113 was the call. Now it is at 165. So just wait for the next candle. बहुत ऊपर है. Price is much above from yellow line. So there is a safety net is there for us. उतना जल्दी नीचे नहीं आएगा. Both option as well as Nifty. Next candle. Another 2 minutes to go. So actually, when I originally gave this trade, only this was the idea. Okay, I mean this is what I said. I mean we took it here, and this was a kind of stop loss area, and we said as long as this goes and reaches here, we'll play this trade. अभी तो वो play हो गया. Okay, it has already reached the 702, and whatever is the option price, we can know we have got already 173, 174, which was the target. That has already come. Let us see now where the next level it takes us to. Let the next candle come, then I will reposition this target, this one. Okay. For that, for me, this option has to cross 178. Okay. Otherwise, this won't happen. Option price 178 के ऊपर जाना चाहिए, फिर हमें 208 और 238 भी मिल सकता है. 207 और 238 भी मिल सकता है. अभी नेक्स्ट कैंडल के लिए वेट करो. Next candle is clean above us. I think this will first cross our this 175. Let it cross 175, because that 720 will be a small challenge there. No, I keep telling you, no, 20, 50, 80. So the 720 will be a small challenge. Once that has to be crossed. Okay. But yellow line is coming up and it is making a clean green candle. So wait कर सकते हो. Just wait. Don't do anything. अगर ये option 175 के पास आया तो then also I will tell you whether you can close it off or you can continue to hold. आप stop loss अपनी risk के हिसाब से you keep increasing the stop loss. Let's see. Nifty trying to cross 720 now. So let me slightly increase the size of this. Even 33 rupees premium is there. Now one more attempt is being made to cross 175 and 178, 171, 172 now. Abhi maja aayega bidu. Let it go up. Let it cross 720. Then you will see the speed in which the option will move. Nifty has to go to 21, 22 or 23. Then you will see the speed in this 24,600 CE. Just hang on. I want a clean candle above 702. That is our candle. Okay. Then only I will redraw this risk reward portion. Okay. Then I will tell you where it can minimum go. Based on that, we can take our own calls. Ah, 20 is always a challenge. पेशेंस के साथ बैठ के देखो, अपना सिस्टम सेटअप करके, अपना स्टॉप लॉस सेटअप करके, अपना टारगेट, यू कीप योर टारगेट and then you can start making decent money. How much time it is spending on this 7:15 to 7:20? Some couple of here we have still got all red only. That is the problem. Only few shares are supporting the Nifty upward movement. If couple of more shares join, then it will be good. Again, in one more attempt to cross 20 is happening. Yeah, I think next candle is starting clean. So you may see some profit booking candle, so don't worry about that. Our candle is starting very clean, you just wait. If it starts making a wick in the bottom, I will tell you immediately, then we should immediately get out. Okay. So far it has not made a wick. So whatever the option price drop, that will get recovered. It is making a clean candle. It is noise within the candle. We need not worry. If it makes a wick now, then you should set up your stop loss immediately. But I don't think it is going to make that. It is going to make a clean candle only. Just wait karo. ऑप्शन प्राइस की बात देखो, अभी इस कैंडल को देखो, ये वो क्या कहते हैं, it is a stop loss hunting candle. It is trying to make a small wick in the bottom. Now it is risky. So at the next rise in the option price, you immediately close it off. See, it made a big wick candle. That is what I said. Once it starts making a wick candle, we have to wait for the next candle. And as long as here it is above 155, 150 as I said, again there can be an upward movement. Couple of things are in favor. Okay, number one, it is above our yellow line, much above our yellow line, but only worry is that it is going below the support level. So it has made this. Okay, even now it can go, but I think not a good option price. I hope you people have shifted your stop losses to your own this thing. Otherwise, still you will still get another 160, 161 chance. You can exit there. We will wait for the next candle. or you can just hold it as long as the price is above yellow line, which is also a fair one. But what happens is suddenly if it makes a big red candle, the price of the option will come dramatically down. That's the only problem. So it has held this. There is no doubt about it, clean. Just wait now. Wait it out. We will see whether next again to re-enter or not. Even now it is 154. So please close it off, and then we can always re-enter. It is above 150, which is a strong point, but still suddenly it can drop from 113 to 150 is 37 points. Why to lose that money? You can always re-enter. Many of the shares are turning positive. It's a huge profit booking candle, boss. This is a huge profit booking candle. I'm telling you, it went all the way from 714 to 86. 79 actually. This is a big profit booking candle. This has been played with very little, few 2-3 shares. This entire fall. Okay. So how quickly it has fallen, the same quick manner it will come up now. This is a profit booking candle. So as I expected, it made the 3 o'clock move made actually took the option to all the way up to in one big candle up to 146. I said if it crosses one, it will touch 135. It is already now sitting at that price, but do not enter now because breaking this may be a challenge because the premium is still at 55 rupees. That is future versus this thing. जो बना है तो ठीक है. Another 10-15 rupees we could have made, but that's okay. We cannot catch the entire profit, no. The future premium still it is 57 rupees, and tomorrow is expiry is telling you something. All this game is totally by option rate so na jo bhi niche ja raha hai. If the premium is 57 for tomorrow's expiry, it means Nifty is expected to go up. Okay, so this has come up to this anyway, but I predicted only up to this, to be very honest, so I will retain that, and we have closed. Okay, it is not that I can be always right. And see the future volume. Probably if we have kept an eye on this, we would have known that anyway the Nifty is going to fall. All this is red. Here also it was fully red. If you go back and watch the video, I think all the clean indicators were saying, and anyway our system says very clearly, as long as you have flat candles being made below the yellow line, it is put. As long as green candles made above yellow line with flat bottoms in between, there can be some doji candles like this one or like this one, but otherwise it should be flat. Then we know very clearly the price is going to go up. So we continue. Aaj banaya paisa, so we made some good trades. So what we did in the morning, we took this trade. We exactly caught it at this. Those who are joining late, they can go back and check. Okay, that around here we got into this trade of call 24,650, and we exited somewhere here. Okay, and then we took a put again. From there we rode here, but this call that was briefly we made, but this put was very clear. So almost 3 clean trades were made today, all resulting in 45 points, 40, 45, 50 points. Okay, and market also gave very clean, it was not a choppy market. It was either trending up or trending down, and our system gave beautiful indications, and we have taken. So now we will wait, because another 11 minutes nothing is going to happen. And let me see what is that telegram. Okay, Nifty short exit. Oh, Nifty closing short, fantastic. So when did the short was taken? Let me tell you, the strategy which we are running took the short at 24,716. Okay, now it is closing at 694 only. Now it is saying long entry. Okay, around 30 points it made, despite so much upward. Now Nifty is saying it is making strategy is saying long. That is what I am telling you. Now don't enter into put or anything, carry forward put. There is a possibility that tomorrow also the market can start one leg up. Okay, that is the reason this premium is still exiting. Imagine today if some still there are people are buying future at 686 while spot at 636. And what? Tomorrow is only one day. No, tomorrow it is a monthly explosion. Even now people are willing to risk 3,500 rupees per lot. That tells you something. Maybe somebody is holding it up so that the more call buying take place. That is also a possibility. But there is something that is going on which we don't know. Why this premium is still existing, but why the market is becoming exactly opposite to this premium. And so much again buying, this volume. You can see the volume here. There was selling here from in this spot, from this spot to this. That must be the FIA selling, because exactly at 3 o'clock they do selling every day. Both whatever they do, whether it is options, put, etc. 3 o'clock is their bulk orders. And when FIA sell, it is basket orders. They don't look at price. They simply come and say, I will sell 15,000 HDFC, 20,000 ICICI Bank shares. That's all. They won't care what is the price, because they all entered long time back. No. And now, and then the same way futures, and whether this is by FII, these futures, I don't know. It can be the option writers game also, because somebody is selling and immediately somebody is buying. Futures and all is not bought by our FII, domestic institution. They buy only cash. Okay, that is the reason I am telling. This must be from professionals as well as FIIs, and of course our public also. See, spot is 33 rupees down, 33 points down. Future is just 3.4 points down. Correct? Let me check whether I am getting it correctly. Yes, future is in positive actually. Spot is in negative. So this option primary, it won't go. What we missed in this option is this rally from here. I think we said we exited here, that is around 126, 125, and it made up to the top of 150. Wow, 148. Another 25 points we missed out. That's okay. सब कुछ तो हमें नहीं मिलेगा ना. We can't buy it exact bottom and sell it exact top. If anybody can do that, that fellow will not even open his mouth. He will keep on doing. Wow, suddenly Indigo is jumping. Some data must have come. Okay, people must have traveled a lot, or the percentage of this thing must have come. So today is a up down game. So we started here. That was yesterday's low, and we started today at good gap up. Continued the ramp up to 24,782, and that was the pivot that we have our own pivot, which said very clearly market will turn here. It turned, then went to yesterday's low, took support there, again it went, and then here once it made a clean red candle, I said get away from calls, get into this 24,800 PE. We did that, and we rode it along up to this. To be very honest, no, since we made money here, I didn't want any further loss. One big candle losing this would have mean that one more trade's full money would have gone. So I became more cautious there. That is why I told them 124, 125 you sell off. Okay. Now we just wait for tomorrow's day. Good. I think the setup is really helping us. If you see here, everything became green, and then we knew here also we could see a lot of greens were coming at that time. 4 to 5 shares were in green. It went all the way up, and then here it gave some heads up here. If you see these bigger dots and dots on the top, which is opposite to this color, this is heads up that the market is going to turn negative. Exactly after 4-5 candles, then it slowly started turning. the first lead indicator, then the next lead indicator, and then the third lead indicator. All three become red, and by the time even your wave trends also become red, and then from there it started going down. And here again there is undercurrent green was there, but we were consistently getting all 5 rows as green. That is the reason if you see here we stop, and then we said market is turning around. So this is giving a very clear picture. This one and our of course future volume I have just kept it for closure purposes, and we can see actually future we have green candles here, market going up. You got red candles here, market coming down. Again green candles, market went up. So you can more or less correlate the movement of Nifty with this momentum indicator, and then of course our pivots. And the biggest of all is our yellow line. Yellow line is the one which clearly gave us a view. Market is going to go up or market is going to go down. So those who have joined from morning continued. I think I could see some couple of people who were there fully. तो अच्छा पैसा बनाए होंगे. I request all of you, this system is what, it is not my intelligence or anything like that. We have set it up like this, such a way that anybody can even simply see and trade. ठीक है, जो कल सुबह आके देख लीजिए again, and we will very clearly, you yourself will tell ठीक है नहीं, when I am getting more greens here as well as here and here, then I buy. If I am getting more reds here, but this yellow line is the magic line, which is our proprietary thing. Okay, and again this momentum meter also, that is our own proprietary, that is our Akshaya Patra proprietary. Okay, come tomorrow morning. I am just closing down at 3:20, and then we can see you tomorrow. I am not seeing any trade now. It is a Nifty has taken support exactly at 622. If you see here, that is S3 in the pivots. So it will keep taking that. And tomorrow again probably we may have a gap up, small gap up to negate this. Okay, 27 points or 29 points. Future is also now down by 15 points. SBI and bank has shot up, but not SBI. We have been telling, if you go back and see our video, we have been screaming about SBI. Okay, the another share that we have started to focus is on DLF. It is high beta. Why we are not giving that? It is very risky. One day it makes a 5 to 7% to move. That will eat up 30 to 40% of call or put. So to be very honest, the DLF is not for weak-hearted and pure retail people. That is why we are not suggesting that. Otherwise, DLF is a good call buy now at this point. From various parameters, what you can see, it can go to 767 and some 819 also. 767 and 819 are the targets. And if you guys buy some calls for next month, 720, 740 call, because that is 20 rupees call, then you can make some money. Okay. So meanwhile the market is doing this, I will come back and close it in 5 minutes. Okay. You open, browse. Hi, still somebody is there, good. And just trying to enter the. Oh, this is old one. I need to check. Where is the latest one? Latest one. I want to update. Actually, no, the everyday in this thing we publish, correct? So that I'm trying to. List of trades. Yes, I think I have got the correct one here. So let us kind of futures. There has been a nifty trade. Ongoing short was closed today. That is at what price? Got closed at 24,694 only. So not a major big profit, but still. And nifty went long. Okay, this is what the strategy did. As long as it is not making losses and making some money, that is fine. Today is 30th. Long, ongoing, equal to, and this one is 24,694. Let me check whether it is the correct future price, because 24,694, what time it came, nifty future. Exactly, it was published at 311. So 311, what is the price? Correct. So it is at current price only 7,694. 24,694. I have been entering wrong here. Okay. This was short. Okay, 808, 706. Correct. Okay, this is correct only. So 22 points. So this is 18. 6%. So this we need to publish now. Okay, so gold we have started publishing today, from today. So let me enter gold trades. So this is the old one, but still we will continue from there. So I will, let me kind of started off that. So let me remove this. We will say today is 30th 9, correct? 29th. Oh God. Again I made a mistake. So let us go to gold trade now. 29th, 2909 25. First trade, that is exit target. So gold long closed. What was the price? Gold long was given 115404. Okay, and then it was closed today itself. $66 points. Okay, then 470 or 470, and again long entry was 115560. Yeah, that is different. So that is there, ongoing. Okay, so let it go. We are removing it as a paper trading. Now you can live trading from 29th September of gold mini futures in MCX trade. Okay. In September. Okay. So what we will do? We start publishing this now. Done. So we are done now. Thank you for joining. I'm pretty sure I'm seeing somebody still watching and it's good. And see you tomorrow. So I'm just ending there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching for continuously. I could see at least 2 people were continuously there. See you tomorrow, and tomorrow also I hope that we have a very, very good day like this. Bye.